Mga higala, kumusta ni napunta ni atong tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabion. Nadugay-dugay ta og sugod ani ato ang program mga igsoon atong oras alas 9:22 sa gabi. Nalangan ta og sugod tungod kay kini inyong igsoon o pagitaw pag-abot gikan sa Pagadian City. Kusukay ng ulan, oy, dahil di kayo maklaro na to ang karsada. Medyo hinay ang atong dagan sa atong pag-drive ng higala. So, isan sa kahinay sa atong dagan, tungod sa kusog sa ulan, kaya di kayo nato makita ang dalan. Niabot ang gihapon ta, karon atong ipahigayon ng ato ang panglantaw sa kagabihin. Okay. Kuan kaning kinahanglan gid ato ang atimanon ato ang program. Ato dayong ipasalamatan no ang tanang mga kumpanya nga nakiginaang nga suporta ng ato ang tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabion. Daghang kay salamat sa inyong regalo nako. Amo naging napahimuslan ang kitchen utensils. Natay tagaan ta og kung aganan nga di kuryente nga dili siya moinit og atong hikapon, pero ang kaldero nga atong gitak-an maoray moinit, no? Nindot kaayo nga tipid pagid sa kuryente. Daghang kay salamat, no? Mo pops up na sila sa ako ang mga video sa YouTube or dinhi sa Facebook. Sa dili pa nato sugdan ang atong lantogi mga igsoon, atong shout out yun ito ang mga likers, mga supporters sa ito ang panglantaw sa kagabion. Una sa tanan si Pastora Sheila Maris Haranilla Matigangay, uban sa ihang kapika sa kinabuhi Pastor Yung Munyon Matigangay Jr. John Lloyd de los Reyes Laylay, Marilo Talos, ito ang master teacher diha sa San Miguel Central and Center, no? Si Marilo Talos, si Marilo P. Faustino, itong mathematics teacher. Ako ang pag-umangkon nga nagpuyo diha sa Camiguin, Gabriel Tubigon Villanueva, o si Ma'am Amitis Joy Maghilom, itong English teacher sa Kalugay Integrated School. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagsuporta ning ato ang programa panglantaw sa kagabion. Good evening, day mga higala. Tonight, let me ask you a simple but life-changing question. Are you happy with the road you are walking right now? Some of us are walking a road of frustration. Others are walking a road of regret. Some are walking a road chosen not by themselves, but forced upon them by circumstances, by poverty, by broken system, or by their own wrong decisions. And here is the wisdom we carry tonight. If you don't like the road you're walking, start paving another one. It is a call to courage. It is a call to take responsibility. It is a call to change direction. Mga igsoon, life is often described as a journey. Every journey requires a road. Some roads are smooth. Some are rough, some are crooked, some are dangerous, and many times we find ourselves saying, ngano diri man ko nakaagi, Lord? Dili man ni mao ang akong gusto. Maybe it's a career path that drains your soul. Maybe it's a relationship that hurts more than it heals. Maybe it's a lifestyle filled with addiction, vices, and compromises. But here's the truth. You don't have to stay on that road forever. God gave us free will. The law gave us rights. Life gave us opportunities. If the road is broken, we can start paving another one. In Genesis chapter 12, God told Abraham, "Leave your country, your people, and your father's household, and go to the land I will show you." Abraham was walking a familiar road or stable, predictable, but God called him to pave a new one, the road of faith. Mga igsoon, sometimes God tells us, leave the old road. It will not take you to your destiny. Trust me, I will show you a better way. Imagine a man addicted to gambling. Every payday, he goes straight to the betting place. That's the road he walks. Easy money, false hope. But at home, his children cry in hunger. One day, he decides, dili nako padayon ani nga dalan, dili ni mao. He seeks help. He disciplines himself. He finds honest work. Slowly, he starts paving a new road. Hard at first, painful, but tomorrow, his children are fed. His wife smiles again. His dignity restored. The law itself recognizes that people can change direction. For example, in labor law, employees have the right to resign if their job becomes oppressive. In family law, a spouse suffering abuse can seek annulment or legal separation to protect themselves. In criminal law, rehabilitation is offered because the justice system believes a person can pave a new road after mistakes. Mga higala, the law tells us, you are not trapped forever. You have the right to choose another road. Luke chapter 15 tells the story of the prodigal son. He walked the road of waste, of selfish living. But when he hit rock bottom, he realized, I will arise and go to my father. He chose to leave the broken road and return home. And the father welcomed him. Mga igsoon, the prodigal son teaches us, it is never too late to change direction. Let us also reflect on our nation. Many times, our leaders walk roads of corruption, dishonesty, and self-interest. We, the people, suffer. Roads are literally broken. Justice is delayed. Schools are underfunded. But what if we start paving another road? A road of accountability, good governance, community empowerment. Hard today, yes, but tomorrow the nation will rise. As the Constitution reminds us, sovereignty resides in the people. We can choose the road of apathy or we can be the road of change. Mga kaigalaan, kung tigpaminaw o tigtanaw, reflect tonight. If you don't like your financial road, start paving another one. Learn to budget, save, and invest. If you don't like your spiritual road, start paving another one. Open your Bible. Return to prayer. Reconnect with God. If you don't like your health road, start paving another one. Exercise. Eat healthy. Leave vices. If you don't like your relationship road, start paving another one. Choose forgiveness. Choose healing. Choose love. The road may not change overnight, but every small step of discipline, every small decision of good lays down one more stone in the new road. Mga kaigsuonan, excuses keep us stuck on the same old road. Fear tells us we cannot build again, but faith and discipline tell us, yes, you can start paving another road. Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 16 says, stand at the crossroads and look. Ask for the ancient path. Ask where the roadway is and walk in it. And you will find rest for your souls. The power of choice is in your hands. You can stay where you are, or you can begin again. And so, I leave you tonight with this challenge. If you don't like the road you're walking, don't just complain about it. Start paving another one with God's help, with discipline, with courage. You can. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabhion di ng kahayag, mudan-ag bisan pa sa kanito. Kini inyong higala igsoon og dalagad, Jeremias Labaho Tubigon. Sa makausap pa mo inyo, nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong katilingban, ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong sugat. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay ng pamunuan, ang labing hayag ng paglaon. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw, pagtanaw. Shout out Arcelita Aluso Tubigon, si Nanay Aging, diha sa Barangay Lower Santo Niño, Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. Salamat kay sa inyong pagtanaw. Nay, kumusta man ka diha? Nautunta nga ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi.